The Mamiya C3 is a medium-format twin-lens reflex camera produced between 1962 and 1965. It features interchangeable lenses, bellows focusing, and flash synchronization. The C3 takes 120 medium-format film and produces 12 6x6 frames per roll. The other popular Mamiya TLRs include the C22, the C33, the C220, and the C330. Now here's how we load the camera and get it ready to take a few shots. Shooting with the Mamiya C3, like shooting with any similar TLR, is nothing like using a modern digital camera. The C3 forces you to slow down and really consider your camera settings. Achieving precise focus, especially at wider apertures, isn't easy either. An interesting dynamic exists when using the twin-lens reflex camera. The photographer is looking down toward the camera's viewfinder instead of directly toward the subject, and this might feel a little less confrontational for some portraiture subjects, putting them more at ease where the photography is concerned. And as I've said before, the fact that you're using film and a cool camera can often change not only your response to the process, but your subject's as well. Shooting with film can often elevate the moment, and it's great when this comes across in your photos.